Please take your microphone. Okay. Now, Nandita, now tell me, what is hydrocarbon?
Hydrocarbon. Only hydrogen and carbon combining bond is called hydrocarbon.
Okay. What is organic compound?
The compound which can be created in the laboratory is called organic compound.
The definition you tell, this is the previously written or এগুলো আমরা আগে পড়তাম. All hydrocarbon and compound produced from hydrocarbon is called organic compound, right?
Yes.
Okay, now tell me what is the general formula? General formula of alkyne.
Alkyne. CnH2n minus 2.
Very good. Now tell me what is the molecular formula of butene. General formula, butene. Butene comes from butane.
Butane.
If we think butane, that is carbon 4.
4.
তাহলে butene, what is butene?
C2H6.
Butene, C4.
C4H.
H.
8.
8. Very good. Okay. ঠিক আছে. Thank you very much for joining with our mock viva and hope you will go better in the next round.